Yeah, man. I gotta put all this shit up on Facebook Marketplace. I just put that on there. The back, because I fixed it. I got all these vacuums. That's a brand new appliance dolly that they was throwing away. It needed a wheel. I went and bought a wheel for $7. That's on the line. That heavy duty blue one. This is appliance dolly here. And look at this. They gave me $75 each. There was 4 of these doors. That's these heavy duty entrance doors when you go into a business. And I sold one for $200. And homeboy's supposed to be coming from a place in what's that? Pensacola, Florida, to get one dude from with a weed dispensary and bought one. Yeah, man. And homeboy's supposed to be coming and getting this pressure washer, and everything works, man. Yeah, that junk removal shit ain't no joke. No, that's my carpentry shit on the table. I make furniture with that. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, see, that's my furniture making shit. Man, there's so many motherfucking ways you can make money, man. I swear. And it's just a side hustle for me until I get back in the big rigs. My doctor done already released me. Once I go take my DOT physical, I'm back on the motherfucking road, man. I'm back on the road. I got about 40 gas cans back there. They be selling. I ain't selling it. Y'all already know what that is. Got that in Jerky Bull. That's a low lot. But yeah, man. The hustle never stops. The hustle never stops. Yep. Y'all already know. Y'all know me, the people that know me. I'm always hustle. Never lay down. Yeah, I need to get some more 2x4s. And them is 1x12s right here. I'm trying to tell you, man. Go to YouTube and go on there and type in how to make furniture. There's money, man, everywhere. All you gotta do is get the fuck up off of your ass. You know? For real. For real, man. I gotta put this tire on the Bourbon and come out here. I gotta trim all this shit up. See, I cut, but all this shit got to be trimmed. I be tripping on how they just set shit on the motherfucking all this for sale. Look at this, brand new. This motherfucker brand new. Big old 35. That shit crazy. Ah! Yeah. Something I done just got in the mail. Look at this. I ain't gonna sell this. This got this free. Yeah, this motherfucker. It's like $200 and something for that. But yeah, man. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go in here. Cook me something to eat. I'm good to go. Right.